Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to take your video editing skills to the next level, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to uncover the top 20 tips and tricks in Filmora 13 that will transform the way you edit your videos. Get ready to learn how to customize your workspace, use powerful audio tools, create stunning visual effects, and so much more. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be editing like a pro. So grab your notepad and let's dive into the top 20 tips and tricks in Filmora 13. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tutorials and tips. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with our first tip, customizing the interface in Filmora 13. A personalized workspace can make your editing process more efficient and enjoyable. Here's how you can do it. First, you can move panels around by simply clicking and dragging them. For example, if you want the media library on the left side, click on the top of the panel and drag it to your preferred location. See how easy that is? You can do the same with the preview window, timeline, and other panels. Next, you can resize the panels to give more space to the areas you use the most. Hover over the edges of a panel until you see the resize cursor, then click and drag to adjust the size. For instance, if you need a larger timeline, just drag the edge to expand it. This gives you more room to work on your edits. If you ever want to return to the default layout, simply go to the window menu at the top, select Workspace, and click on Reset to Default. This is a great way to start fresh if you've made too many changes and want to go back to the original setup. Next up, let's talk about keyboard shortcuts in Filmora 13. These handy shortcuts can save you a lot of time and make your editing process much smoother. Let's go through some of the most useful ones. To start, you can view and customize keyboard shortcuts by going to the File menu. Selecting Keyboard Shortcuts, you'll see a list of all the available shortcuts. You can change any keyboard shortcut keys. Now click on the shortcut key. First there was Ctrl+M. Then I do Ctrl+N. Now let's go over some of the essential keyboard shortcuts you should know. First, the basics: Ctrl+I to import media, +S to save your project, Ctrl+Z to undo an action, Ctrl+Y to redo an action, Ctrl+B to split a clip at the playhead, Delete key to remove a clip from the timeline, Ctrl+C to copy a clip, Ctrl+V to paste a clip. For navigation, spacebar to play or pause your video, Home to move the playhead to the beginning of the timeline, End to move the playhead to the end of the timeline, arrow keys to move the playhead frame by frame. Now, let's move on to advanced text editing in Filmora 13. Go to the Titles tab. Choose a template you like and drag it onto your timeline. Once the text is on your timeline, double-click on it to open the text editor. Here you can customize your text in many ways. First, let's look at text formatting. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment of your text. To do this, simply select the text and use the options available in the text editor toolbar. Our next tip is all about creating smooth animations using keyframing in Filmora 13. Keyframing is a powerful tool that allows you to animate any element in your video, giving you complete control over movement and effects. Let's see how it's done. To add a keyframe, position the playhead where you want the animation to start. Then, click on the Add Keyframe button. This marks the starting point of your animation. Move the playhead to the point where you want the animation to end, then adjust the properties of your clipper element. A new keyframe will automatically be created. Next, let's dive into color correction and grading in Filmora 13. These tools can dramatically enhance the look and feel of your videos, helping you achieve a professional, cinematic quality. Let's get started. First, select the clip you want to work on in your timeline, and double-click to open the editing panel. Then, navigate to the Color tab to access the color correction and grading tools. For basic color correction, start with the Adjust tab. Here you can tweak the brightness, contrast, saturation, and exposure of your clip. These adjustments help correct any lighting issues and make your footage look more balanced. Next, let's talk about audio ducking in Filmora 13. This feature automatically lowers the volume of your background music when dialogue or other important audio is detected, ensuring that your viewers can hear everything clearly. To add the audio ducking, click on the music on the timeline. Then go to the Editor tab on the left side on screen. After that, click on the Auto Normalization. Then click on the Audio Ducking. Then audio ducking will be added on your project. To add split screen, to click on the Templates button. Then click on the split screen and select from your choice, and simply drag and drop to the timeline. Then click on the split screen and click on this option. Then you have such an interface will shown, and then add the videos to your recording. Split screen will add it on your video. To add the green screen effect, drag and drop the video clip on the timeline, and then double click on the green screen effect to open the editing panel. And click on the AI tools, and click on the chroma key to add the green screen effects. And then your green screen will added. Instant Cutter Tools is a most powerful tool in Filmora 13, using for video trimming with start and end. To use the Instant Cutter tool, to click on Import Media, and then click on Import Media with Instant Cutter tool. And click on Open File to open your project file. And trim your video with the start and end. You can smooth out your videos and make them look more professional. Let's see how it works. Double-click on your video in timeline to open the editing panel and click on the stabilization to make a smooth video. After that, click on the Start Analytics, and your video will make smooth. Auto normalization is a powerful tool using for audio setting. Click on the video clip in timeline to open the video editor. Then click on Auto Normalization to set the audio automatically. After that, your audio will reset on your project according. LUTs are a powerful tool for color grading, allowing you to apply professional-grade color corrections and stylized looks to your footage with just a few clicks. To use a LUTs, double-click on the video clip on the timeline to open the editing panel. Then click on Colors tab. Then we are use any LUTs on your video, adjusting the speed of your clips. Elect the clip on the timeline and then click on the speed icon in the toolbar above the timeline. This will open the speed control options. Then I use this feature to my choice to create a drop shadow in your stickers. To click on sticker to open the editing panel. Then scroll down and click on drop shadow to adjust setting to your recording. Create a proxy files for smooth editing. To right-click on media file and click on create proxy file. After that, your file convert will be proxy file for smooth editing on your PC. Record a screen in Filmora 13 to click on record option. Then click on record PC screen. After that, you have screen recorder will be open. To use the any video clips on your project, to click the effects button, top right side on the screen. Then click on the video effects on your project. After that, use any video effect on your project. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more great content.